Here we have a 2015 BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport Touring. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels, and how fantastic do they look. You've got the Alpine white exterior paintwork, which again looks absolutely fantastic in conjunction with the black accents around the car. We've got the M Performance kit on this vehicle, as well as the black kidney grills. You've got the front splitter and side skirts just there. You've got your second 19-inch alloy wheel, again excellent condition. M Sports badging, colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. You've got the sliding glass sunroof on top, which is currently open as well. More on that when we get inside. Shark fin antenna at the rear. You've then got your third alloy wheel just there. You've got a black spoiler at the rear as well, which really sets the back end off nicely, gives it that aggressive styling. You've also got front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside. Dual exit exhaust tips on the left-hand side. Now the boot actually opens up into two sections. So you've got our first top section like so, should you wish to just gain access to the above and keep the items secure inside. And we've also got the power assisted tailgate like so as well, which will open and close for you at the touch of a button. Got 12 volt connectivity in there, as you can see. Like I said, it's just as easy to get that back down. Now, as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Going on to the interior, we have got a full coral red Dakota leather interior, which in my opinion looks absolutely superb. Also fixed points within the seat. It's got a fold down armrest in the centre. In the middle there, you've got your temperature vents. On the doors, we've got our brushed metal handle, electric window controls, and more of that coral red Dakota leather interior. Integrated speakers as well, of course. Coming into the front, that same full coral red leather interior, Dakota leather interior, which again looks absolutely superb. On the doors, brushed metal handle, integrated speakers, electric wing mirrors with electric window controls, and child lock for the rear. Stepping inside, auto lights on your right, just there, and I'll start the vehicle up. Foot on the brake, start button, and we are away. I'll just turn down the temperature control so you can hear me. Now the vehicle has covered just over 46,400 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've got a multifunctional steering wheel, speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls. We've got a paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears. On the right, you've got your auto wiper stalk. On the left behind, we'll see the start-stop button as well as the start-stop technology. In the middle, we've got our infotainment screen. So on here, you'll find features like your satellite navigation, which you can see on the display just there. We've also got our DAB radio, different forms of media connectivity like USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary. Phone connectivity as well to make calls or listen to your music. I'll just change that there so you can see it a bit better. Put the vehicle into reverse. You'll see a front and rear parking sensors, the visual display like so. We've also got different driving modes in here. So if I go back onto maps, you'll see we've got the Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. Each one of these having different driving characteristics, so you can pick and choose which one best suits your driving style at the time. Now then, coming down, stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've got our dual zone climate controls here, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Additional storage space, 2 good sized cup holders with 12 volt connectivity. Traction control, we've got our sport modes just here, as well as our parking sensor button. We can take manual control with the gear stick as well, should you wish. You can go down or up a gear like so. Back into park for now. Shortcuts here with the control wheel for the infotainment screen. Soft touch leather armrest, which does double up as storage. You've got your auxiliary and USB connection in there as well. And then, of course, last but not least, we do have the sliding glass roof, which to close, we'll simply press that switch. And as you can see and hear, that all works exactly as you would expect. And how fantastic does that look? Now, we can also close the blind as well if the sun is in your eyes for any reason, and again, all working exactly as you would expect. Now, the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.